Look at that. Good morning guys. New day, another video. Right now we are on the way to Agra. अभी हम लोग शायद यूपी के अंदर में नोएडा पार करके हम लोग कई ढाबा का सामने में रुके हुए. There is like lots of people having their breakfast. I think this is the only ढाबा हाईवे का रोड में. Lots of people there. Okay, let's get inside. Oh, my family is there. It's kind of noisy, I guess. So we're gonna have some breakfast and then we're gonna move out from here, okay? Okay. So we just had our breakfast, so शायद हम लोग अभी वापस रास्ता में निकल जाएंगे because we have to reach Agra, right? So we finally reached Agra, Taj Mahal. आज मतलब holiday भी है, तो it's kind of lot of people are here. But still, we booked our ticket through online because we knew like there will be a lot of people. I'm not sure if this Agra, I mean like I can't see Taj Mahal yet. I mean, I thought it will be big. It will be visible from here. बहुत भीड़ है भाई, मजा आएगा. So we will be going by this vehicle, I guess, because भैया बोले कि it just take 10 or 20 rupees, so it's like affordable and it's like nice. ये शायद गेट तक जाता है, तो we'll have a ride of this vehicle, electric vehicle. This is nice. So वो गाड़ी में बैठने के लिए हम लोग को टिकट लेना पड़ेगा. So this is the line. Wow.
20 rupees.
So this is our ticket for our ride. Okay, so we are कहाँ पे हम लोग? तो अभी हम लोग कैब में बैठ चुके हैं. This is our cab, I guess. Oh, East Gate. We are at East Gate. So I don't know how far we're gonna go. It's nice. I think it's quite far from the gate. Okay, like the place where we are going. क्योंकि शायद मेरे को लग रहा है क्योंकि I can't even see the Taj Mahal yet. I thought that it will be visible, but it was not visible. So we are riding this. That's my mom and dad. And I'm sitting alone here in the back. Nice. Okay. I thought that हम लोग शायद ताज महल का अंदर से जा रहे हैं, but I think we are going from the outside. There are shops. There are people driving their vehicle. So I guess it's not. We are not inside yet. It's like we're still outside. I'm just guessing it. I have no idea. There are shops. There are like vehicle going on. There are, like so many shops. So I think this is like we are not inside the Taj Mahal, like the compound. We are just like nearby. I think we have reached the gate. So this is like what East Gate. तो ये साइड हम लोग ईस्ट गेट में हैं. There is one more gate, I think, there. That's right. Yeah, today is a holiday, like it's a puja going on, so I think that's the reason why there are lots of people. I think that's the reason because it's very crowded. But I guess it's supposed to be crowded because it's Taj Mahal, right? So I think we are at the entry point. Wow, so I think this is the entry point. I have to take out my ticket, so I'm gonna shut the video for a while. हम लोग का फर्स्ट चेकिंग हो गया. टिकट यहाँ पे टिकट दिखाना पड़ता है. So right now the second we gonna what? This is security check, I think. यहाँ पे सब फ्लाइट का जैसा चेकिंग होगा. So हम लोग का सिक्योरिटी चेक भी हो गया. We just did our security check there, and मेरा लेडीज़ को थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है, तो बहन का वेट कर रहे हैं. After that, I guess I don't know. I think we have to go that side. I'm coming here for the first time, so like I have not much idea about anything. But I guess there are like lots of foreigners They always come, I guess. I've seen lots of foreigners. Oh wow, it's like a tunnel, but we can see outside though. That's nice. I think these are some of the histories of Taj Mahal, how it was made and all. Look at that. So I think this is like what the main point of the fort. ये आप लोग ऐसा surrounding देख सकते हो. This is like the entrance point, main entrance point. बहुत लोग हैं यार. There are lots of people out here, and it's nice to see. I think we'll go inside. We'll check this place area first. उस side में भी एक जगह है. इस side में भी एक जगह है. And we came from that side. I think there's the Taj Mahal side. I don't know if you guys can see that white building. I think that's Taj Mahal. Oh, yeah. We're gonna go near there. Huh?
Seven wonders of the world.
7 wonders of the world. I just want to show you guys something. These things like it's written in like Urdu or something. तो ये सब hand खुद का हाथ से लिखा हुआ है. So I just heard it from a guide. I mean like we didn't pay them, but he was saying something like this. So I just overheard him. So that's the thing. Let me show you this. So this is the entrance. Oh wow. Okay, let me show you something guys. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Look at that. Damn. Look at the crowd, man. Wow, so many people. Like ये फाउंटेन है शायद अभी तो ऑन नहीं किया है. I think रात को ये सब चलाता होगा. Right now it's like not working. But anyway, I think we will go here. वहाँ पे जाके देखते हैं क्या है. So my mom and dad are like taking pictures. Damn, these guys are so professionals.
ऐसा होता है. एक आमने सामने देखिए साइड दूसरा देखिए.
Wow. My mom and dad are having fun. And now it's my sister time. We just took some pictures out here. थोड़ा कुछ pictures लिए थे. I think we are allowed to go inside also. I mean, we paid extra. So I guess this is the way. This is the way to Taj Mahal. If you want to enter inside the Taj Mahal, left side में entry होता है. If you come here, then the left side of the Taj Mahal, that's where like you'll find the entry point. Still so many people. It's a holiday season. पूजा और नवरात्रि का सीजन चल रहा है, तो आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ दैट देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल. I'll try to touch the wall, okay? First time. The 7 wonders of the world. Nice. So this is how it looks like the surrounding. हम लोग वो गेट से आए थे. There was the gate, East Gate, I think, if I'm not wrong. And this is Taj Mahal. Seeing Taj Mahal for the first time. Okay. Oh wow. So I think this is Yamuna River. यमुना का सामने में. Nice. तो ये कुछ थोड़ा surrounding था. I just wanted to show you guys the surrounding. Okay, so we'll go inside now. देखते हैं अंदर भी कैसा है. I've never been, so even me, I'm like excited. Nama, are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
I am excited.
I am excited. Lai masuk cancel na po.
entry main mausoleum. I think this is the entry gate to enter the inside Taj Mahal. I think from this point we have to wear these things. So my mom is wearing right now ये मतलब शायद अंदर में गंदा मतलब जूता पहनना मना है. I think even it's written there.
Joseph Taj Mahal sungalo na dia kya ko ke bota. To gom lawa ko malu sa lawa.
We are ready to go. We are done with our shoes. So our checking is done. We'll get inside the Taj Mahal now. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
आप पहली बार आए हो ताज महल?
पहले बार.
पहली बार.
Okay. आया है.
अच्छा लगा है.
Nanti akan berjadi katile lalboy kasapa apa sebenpa hatu bahila है ते कच्ची थैला. अब आला 2017 दिल्ली जुबली आज चीदी katile copy November किसी दो थे के तला को. तू को है अथम बैना का तो ना तू अथम बैना का होंगे.
अथुम वेना चले.
कचाते नहीं जोसेफ ले बॉय नो ले पातो के अथम. lalboy le thangboy wa azau kon
Saying na niyam, yung kaute ni dinga.
lo te ni yang ni khalle family pompi family bon wa ichi the na di we ha pare na pa han.
Okay, so my mom wanted to give a message to my brothers, like they didn't come, they didn't get a chance to come along with us. So there's so many people. There's a very long line. Look at this. Wow. So this is the entrance of Taj Mahal. Okay. So we just came out from the inside of this Taj Mahal. They didn't let me take a video of it, but I just took hidingly. So don't tell anyone. Okay. So right now I think it's all done. और कुछ देखने के लिए तो है नहीं शायद. I guess we'll be heading out now. I'm not sure. Okay. So I think there is no other place to go. तो हम लोग ताजमहल का लेफ्ट साइड उस साइड से पीछे लाइक द ऑपोजिट साइड से आए थे. तो ये दूसरा साइड है. आई थिंक दिस इज द एग्जिट, अनदर एग्जिट. और ये यमुना रिवर. It is a nice place. I mean, I thought it would be pretty huge inside, but ना बड़ा नहीं था. I mean, बीच में कुछ था और हम लोग साइड में पूरा घूम के मतलब ऐसे देख रहे थे. So it was like nice, but I wanted to know what's there. Like, is it a tomb or I don't know. But they didn't tell me. They said like guide लेना चाहिए था भाई. ऐसा कैसा होता है? बता सकता था. I know he knew, but they didn't let me know. We're heading out right now. So there is nothing much more to see. I mean, it's like we went inside the Taj Mahal and then we saw the surroundings and all. So I think that's it. So we are going back to the same place where we came from because हम लोग का गाड़ी वहाँ पे पार्क किया तो obviously we gotta go there. So we are outside the fort now. तो अभी यहाँ से वापस हम लोग जहाँ से आए थे, we're gonna take the vehicle, the electric vehicle, and then from there we're gonna go to the main gate. Look at my mom. Always buying something. Whew. After what 5-minute walks we reach. यहाँ से हम लोग का electric जो vehicle है लेंगे, and then we're gonna go back to the main gate. Because I can walk, but then my mom and dad, they get tired, and they are tired already. So we'll be like taking this, and then we're gonna go and have our lunch maybe. So it's nice, you know, being here.